comfort.
Kwanza ba lakini wana record na hata madrasa ni
una procedura mara ya bastron kuelewa
that what has happened here is a matter of concern for all of us, particularly happening in a very important place. A county assembly is a designated place that we would not want to see something like that happening. It's an incident that has happened, and in our response, we are going to, I would have assured the county assembly members that as we secure the county assembly, we are also investigating a matter that has occurred here with the seriousness that it deserves, because it is not something that we would expect it to happen in a designated place like this. And beyond that, we are also scaling up this security just to ensure that something like that does not happen in future. But in the meantime, we'll get to the bottom line and find out who are involved in that heinous act and the motive of the action that that has occurred here a few minutes ago. So I just want to assure our members that your safety is secured, and at the end of the day, we'll get to the bottom line of it, and it will be for public consumption. Everybody will know what has transpired. Yes.
Thank you.
Nje ngokwane ke gusi. My name Omwamba Nicodemus of Watch. Nalenga assembly ngo de bunegari ane yabo choirwa maguru. The motive I don't know. But because I'm here and the security agency, they have come, they have promised to dig out and know what is the motive. The only thing I know in Kisi County, I'm elected from Wachiburabu, and I've been championing for my people to get the development, which is not there. Anytime I put something on development, it's being removed, and it's being removed from executive. So if it's the executive targeting me, my God above will target them first, and I know that. I know the God I believe, even if this is political, but the God I believe, you will receive the result very soon. Thank you.
Honorable Bari and Honorable Mwamba. We were informed when we were on session. We came out as honorable members. We confirmed, and we have called the security agency here. They are here. They are going to start investigating immediately, because anywhere in the world, the assembly is the most protected area. We don't expect this kind of an event in the assembly. But nevertheless, since now the security agency are here, I can request them that they increase the security for this place, because these premises, they are housing the governor of the Kisi County, because one of the vehicles which has been destroyed, it is in the front, in the office of the governor. And it is parked there. So meaning security has become an issue. We are requesting you increase the security for honorary members so that we can be able to transact our business, because if we don't, we are not giving services to our people. Thank you. That's what has happened. Let us leave the security agents to investigate, and they will give us the answer for that. Nevertheless, I can see the deputy governor coming from there.
I don't have much to say. We were in the assembly with a normal plenary session, And my peer told me that we have people who have come, around 20 people who are in Mcas, and they have destroyed my car, that of Mheshimiwa Obare and Mheshimiwa Omwamba. I just want to call this matter ni woga. This is cowardice of the highest code. And some of us, we are not scared. But as you can see, this is a threat to our lives. Because the security agencies have been here and have made a statement, we want to trust that they will be able to bring this matter to the public so that we know who is behind this ill motive. Asante. Thank you.
Thank you. I want to be very brief. In the past 1 or 2 weeks, we've been calling out the corruption in Kisii County Assembly and in Kisii County at large. What has happened today is an act of cowardice, trying to silence us so that we can stop talking about the level of corruption in our county. But I want to say that that's an act of cowardice. I have said before that I'm one person who doesn't fear anything, and I want to speak directly to the governor of Kisii County. Stop sending those people. Stop sending those boys. You've said you want my head. Just tell me where you want that head. I'll bring it. But as for the fact that I will be calling out corruption, I will continue calling out corruption. You came into power promising heaven. You came into power saying that you are fighting corruption, but you are the architect and the sole proprietor of corruption in Kisii County. We will continue calling out that. To the people who did this, I know and I've been informed, reliably informed, that it is a nominated MCA who was coordinating these boys. This is cowardice. I have been in this game. And I want to ask the security agencies to act. If they don't act, we will act. That is all I can say.